Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter Windows Update error 0x80240061 on your computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolutions. First of all, check the status of Windows Update related services. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command services.msc and hit enter. Now let us pick up any one Windows Update related service, or let's say better, Windows Update service itself. Double click on it and check its status. Is it running? If yes, well and good. If not, start it. Similarly, check the status of other services like cryptographic services, bits, etc. The next solution would be to clear the contents of the software distribution and cat-root 2 folders. This has been explained over separate articles and videos. The third solution would be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Select Other Troubleshooters. Then, corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter, click on Run. The next solution would be to uninstall hidden USB devices. All you need to do is copy the command line mentioned here. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on this option which says Run as Administrator corresponding to Windows PowerShell. Then paste the command here and hit enter. The last solution would be to manually install the update. Go to this website catalog.update.microsoft.com, type the number of the update here, hit enter to search for it, download the latest update and install it on your computer. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.